Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to create component and call inside the component. That's called nesting components in Laravel Livewire. So let's get started with an example and let's understand it. Okay, so let me go here and you can see that over here I simply create one component, that's products component, and let me go here. Simply you can see that I created Livewire product component, and if I go here simply there is a you can see that component class, and if I go here there is only played file over here. Now what I will do, for example, if you go here and this tr, and you can see this is the product listing. Okay, so when you need, for example, in some other page same thing you need to display the list of products, then you have to write twice code. So then you can create a separate component and then you can call it, you can reusable that code. So let me create one component for product show and use it over here. Okay, so let me go here and create. So first of all what I will do, I will say php artisan mac livewire, and I will say product show and hit enter. You can see that it's created product show.php. And now let me go and simply remove this entire. Okay, and what I will do, so first of all what I will do, inside the show I will add one tr over here, and that's called td, and I will just add one, I will say test, and then I will simply add the price, that's called maybe 100, save it, and inside the products I will call that component. Okay, so I will say livewire colon product, and I will say show, and at the end. Okay, simply save it. Okay, and now let me go and simply refresh it. Okay, let me run it again. So I will say php artisan serve. Okay, and now if I go and refresh, okay, you can see that one test, but you can see that it's a call the component inside the component, but you can see that without that product, right? It's just static data we already pass over here. Now what if I want to pass the data like product and display the id and write name and write price for it? Then what I can do, simply go here, and here I will be simply say products product, and I will say dollar product. So that means inside this product show class, here I need to add public product. Okay, simply save it. Okay, and now I can use inside the blade file. So what I will do, simply I will say product id, and then simply I will say product name, and same thing I will do for the product price. Save it. Okay, and save it, and now let me go here and refresh it. You can see that now this is the correct product name and the correct price. The price, I think it's wrong, so I will say price. Save it. Okay, and now let me go here and refresh. You can see that correct price. So you can see that how we call the component over here inside the component and pass the data on it. You can also pass like this way. So simply remove this one, and simply you need to colon and save. Okay, it automatically get the variable name and pass into the next component class. So simply go here and refresh it. You can see that same as it is, the product variable can be accessible. So this was the very simple example and like call component inside the component in livewire. So in the next videos we will learn how to like complex use and all the things, but in this video we just capture like simple use of components. Okay, so I hope guys you understand this the concept. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching guys.